Hello, we're Team Spurs and Six, and this is New Leaf, an AI-powered community crisis support resource finder. New Leaf is built for people who are overwhelmed and don't know where to start. Users can describe what is happening in plain language and get clear support a plan. Since this is for crisis support, emergency resources are visible from the first screen before the user even opens the chat, including 988 and 911. Newly focuses on more than just links. It provides a clear action steps, local and national resources, safety forward guidance, and simple experience with no account required. The flow is simple. Describe your situation, let the AI understand it, and receive a personalized plan. AI is necessary because people do not search using official program names. They describe real life problems like not being able to buy groceries or having utilities shut off. Instead of forcing users to know the right terminology, New Leaf lets them start from real situations like housing, food, financial help, and more. Selecting a category like housing opens the chat with a relevant situation already started, so users are not faced with a blank page. The chat maintains a low friction design with no login requirement and a direct call 211 option. An emergency bar always remains visible, so urgent help is always one click away. Users are guided to share what's happened, include location details, and ask follow up questions like what to say on the phone. The system also helps prepare a short phone script before contacting agencies. The chat supports English and Spanish, and switching languages updates both the interface and the AI responses. Before sending a message, users can use quick starters if they are unsure of what to type. Users can also enter a city, country, or zip code since support programs depend on location. Optional intake details can include urgency, household size, children in the household, and income status. When urgency is set to today, an emergency priority indicator appears immediately. A realistic crisis description is entered: loss of job, inability to pay rent, and risk of electricity shutoff. The response streams in real time to reduce stress and improves responsiveness. Every response follows a consistent structure: acknowledgement of the situation, an action plan, and relevant resources. Instead of telling users to search online, New Leaf provides clear first steps, contacts, and available programs. When high-risk language is detected, immediate support is shown before the normal response. Emergency resources such as 911, 988, 211, and crisis text line are prioritized for urgent situations. Users can copy, save, or export their plan as a text file. Each response includes a last verified date, confidence label, and a report option for outdated information. Checklist mode converts steps into actionable checkboxes. Follow-up options allow users to request next steps or backup options without restarting the conversation. Quick action chips allow users to continue the conversation around common needs like housing, food, utilities, mental health, legal aid, and medical care. Additional tools can generate call scripts, document checklists, and handoff summaries for workers, or counselors. These features help users take action even if they are unsure of what to say when calling support services. After a plan is generated, the impact simulator estimates potential monthly support, one-time assistance, and healthcare value based on the user's situation. It includes programs such as SNAP, rental assistance, unemployment, WSC, and more. Each program includes a confidence level to show how strong the estimate is. Users can view the assumptions and reasoning behind the calculations. These results are projections, not official eligibility decisions. Users can save estimates or request help for applying programs. Users can start new conversations, share the chat, or view saved plans. Shared conversations are formatted in a simple dialog view. Saved plans can be accessed anytime from a dedicated page. Saved plans and conversations are stored locally on the device without requiring an account. A privacy notice explains that data remains in the browser and should be deleted on shared devices. Plans can be expanded, printed, resumed in chat, or deleted. Past conversations are organized with dates and message counts for easy access. All data is stored locally and not in a server database. A quick exit feature, finally, allows users to immediately leave the app or quickly hide it for safety. The page is replaced and removed from back navigation for privacy and unsafe situations. If the API is unavailable, the system still runs in demo mode while streaming responses. With streaming responses, New Leaf does not replace emergency services, doctors, lawyers, counselors, or government agencies. Instead, it organizes options, explains next steps, and helps users prepare to reach real support systems. The goal is to make sure community support is easier to find, easier to understand, and easier to act on. No one should miss help just because they did not know where to start. Thank you.